Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful eye look. It's a soft cut crease, half cut crease I'd say. I really love this look. This look can go with any color of lips, and it's pretty flattering on any kind of eye shape and makes my eyes look really big. So I love it, and one of my go-to looks if I want some drama and some festive feel to my eye makeup. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I did this side of my eye, and this is the look that we are going for. So after applying my MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre, I'll just take this fluffy Wet n Wild $1 brush and using my Morphe 35T palette, which is a taupey colored palette, I'm going to use this first color from the top, taking very little bit of this, tapping off extra, and I'm going to apply it above my crease, as you guys can see here. Same brush, and I'm going to dip it into the first color from the second row. So just taking a little bit of it and tapping off extra, and just applying that color below where I applied the first color. This is another blending brush which is a bit dense, so I'm going to use that, and we are using this color, third color from the bottom row. And I'm going to apply it just where I want to create the cut crease, taking a little bit more and applying it onto the outer V. Now I'm going to take my concealer. I'm taking L'Oreal True Match concealer, taking another Wet n Wild $1 brush, which I'll use this angular brush, starting with the inner corner. So I'm just covering up my 3/4 of my inner eyelid. Now it's time for the glitter. So I'm taking this Naked Cosmetics Desert Sunset glitter. It's on the lid. It's a very beautiful rose champagne color. Taking a clean blending brush and just blending the harsh edge over here. This fourth shade from the second row onto this pencil brush for highlighting my inner corner. So I just applied my lashes, my liner, and filled in my eyebrows, and I'm back. So we are going to take this third color from the bottom row, which we used to deepen up our crease or create the cut crease. I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and I'm going to apply that color onto my bottom lash line. So there we go. So that's how the look turned out to be. I really love it. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching the video, then please do hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With that, I'll see you guys next time in another video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Bye!